Hey guys, it's Austin at Inver Grove Chiropractic. Today we're going to get into a couple of different things we can do in our office here to help you reset your neck from a straight neck to a nice C shape. And the first thing you'll do when you come in is you'll get adjusted, and chiropractic adjustments of the neck most definitely will help reset that curve in your neck and help you maintain better posture. But a couple of things you can do after your adjustment is come into our functional fitness center and utilize these two devices. So the first one, cervical traction. The second one is going to be called the curve cord. When you first start care, we'll start you with the cervical traction first, and then we'll graduate you to the curve cord. But to start, what you'll do is you'll come in, you'll put your head through here, and you want the front part just resting underneath your chin, just like this. Then your feet will be shoulder width apart. What you're going to do is you're just going to bend at the knees. And just like you saw, it's going to help bring your neck back and putting a slight force into the back of it to help you reset that curve, to get you from here back to here. And that's going to help quite a bit. So we'll start you with 10 reps at first, and then we'll graduate you slowly. The more you do it, higher and higher, and then you'll end at 100 reps on your last day of doing it. Once you graduate from the traction, we're going to get you into the curve cord. And what this does is it helps you retrain the muscles in the back of your neck to help you hold sturdy, hold your head and ears right over your shoulders, which is going to help you with the posture. And it's also going to help maintain the curve in your neck. So what you're going to do is you're going to put it around your head. It's like this. You're going to stand back, so this is nice and tight here. And you're going to lean forward, and then you're going to bring it back, and you're going to hold this position for a couple of seconds. You're going to go forward and back, and we're going to have you do 10 reps of just one set at the beginning. We'll graduate you slowly and slowly, so you're doing more and more reps, just like the cervical traction. But this is really good for, just like I said earlier, getting those muscles nice and strong in the back of your neck to help hold your head up. It's also going to help hold the adjustments longer that you get out by one of our doctors. It's as a whole, these two things plus the adjustments are going to make huge advances from getting you from more of a tech neck to a curve neck. And that is super important in maintaining a symptom-free, healthy life. So if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and we'll definitely answer those for you. And if you know anybody who could utilize this information in this video, feel free to share the video with them. Thanks.